Hail Biafra. This is Biafra Liberation Army Network coming to you again. Please do subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Whether we like it or not, there is a problem. We need to discuss the problem. We are disagreeing with ourselves and we have every reason to disagree. The North before now is saying we don't believe in separation. But as I'm standing, I'm telling you that if there's going to be separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it. We are also ready. Let's go our either ways. And I'm telling you this with all sincerity. Northern Nigeria before now do not want to hear anything separation. But as of today, as I speak to you, the North is equally ready to leave. Please disagree with me, but I will speak. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. Good. Let us discuss the controversy and let us find a solution to the problem.
Please allow him. Please allow him. Somebody has his opinion. You have your opinion.
This is why we are here. If you disagree with me, come up and give your position. This is my position. This is the position of Northern Nigeria. So if you disagree, make your position known. Yes, we should create. There should be a room for discussion. Call it national conference. Call it national conference. Call it restructuring. Call it whatever. I agree that we should come to a round table and discuss Nigeria and discuss the way forward for Nigeria. I agree that we are disagreeing. I agree that there's a problem.
So since yesterday, there has been a news flying around, and the news was actually posted on Sahara Reporters, and the news said that the Northerners has now agreed that Nigeria has expired, and so they are calling for renegotiation. It was actually posted on the X handle of Sahara Reporters, all right, and you know this has sparked a lot of reactions. People has reacted. And one thing I love is when things happen, I always want to know people's opinion. And that is why anytime I make a video, I will ask you to drop your comment on the comment section. Because why? Not just dropping your comment, I want to know your opinion. All right. And sometimes from your opinion, we also talk or discuss other things that come from your opinion. All right. So I'm going to read for you some of the comments people drop on this particular report. I'm going to read for you some of the comments. Somebody said, anytime the North is not in power, boom, they remember to separate. God, please answer our prayer and remove cancer from our body. Another person said, Nigerians are aware that Nigeria has expired, but their love for a country that has brought them nothing but pain and agony prevent them from uniting to demand Nigerians' dissolution. The other person said, one thing about Nnamdi Kanu is that you can hate him, you can ridicule him, or disagree with him. But once reality hits you, you will realize that the young man is right. So they are trying to agree with Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Is it? All right. So the other person said, Nigeria has expired on 14th of April 2014. Yeah, this person even kept the date. He remembered the time. I wish he will also write the time. 14th of April 2014. That is crazy. The other person said, make them sell the country, give me my own share. I don't too suffer for Nigeria. Everybody don't suffer. Honestly, everybody don't suffer. Who never suffer? Hey, God. Anybody, even the rich and the poor, everybody, they suffer. So the other person said they are coming to understand it very late because they don't see the handwriting on the wall. The other person said it's only a Delulu person that will argue about it. I don't know the one that is Delulu. Okay. The other person said Ekpa gave them sleepless night and they declare him wanted like Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and placed a bounty. Now Ekpa in return placed a whole president of a country wanted Now, even the world knows that Nigeria is ruled by one wanted criminal by Biafrans. Hey, Chineke, people get mouth, oh, people get bad mouth, honestly. The other person said, the problem of holding on a useless country called Nigeria are the Yoruba tribe. They hate seeing Nigeria divided. Rather, let all of us keep on dying and suffering in this my country. Northerners are ready to go, but Yorubas aren't ready with the reason best known to them. My Yoruba brethren, is it true? But at least we have saw the life of Sunday Igboho coming out to say that, okay, oh, they want Yoruba nation. So I don't know how true this is, that Yoruba people no agree. Okay, so let's still go on. The other person say they know it long ago. They are saying it out because they know it's a game over. He who holds what belongs to a child with hand up high, at a point the hand will get paralyzed, brought down, and the child will retake that belongs to him. All right, so there are so many other reactions and people's comment on it, but I will ask you also to drop your own comment on the comment section. What do you think about it? All right, for now, let us watch the analysis this man gave about this news. I don't know. Nigerian people, God. Now these people can't agree. Waiting, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu dey talk since. Waiting, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu dey talk since. They no agree, they no hear. Now, as Nigeria don't war, probably as the first person said, anytime they are not in power, they will remember that something is wrong. I beg, make una watch this one where this brother talk.
Out yesterday or from beginning of this week that Nigeria expired 10 years ago. Yes. Nigeria was 100 years in 2014, and it was obvious that Jonathan was in power then. Yes. And it dawned on Jonathan that he conducted this national confab, yes, for everybody to know which way to go. Yes. If it is impossible for us to be one, people should go their different ways. Yes. I mean, Igbo man, Yoruba man, Hausa man, and the Fulani man might just find his way into the Sahel country of desert where he comes from. And you can see we are just fighting ourselves over nothing. Immaterial things. It is now that they actually know that Nigeria has expired, when they have actually nearly annihilated the whole Igbos 57, 56, 55, 54 years ago. When they actually know that Igbo has already finished, that is when they come out to tell you that Nigeria has expired. Nigeria has expired. Nigeria did not only expire. Nigeria is finished since 10 years ago. I'm telling you, everybody is supposed to go to their different ways. Like you see Obasanjo now. Obasanjo is suffering from Igbophobia. Yet, he is accusing other Nigerians of Igbophobia too. Igbophobia is holding Obasanjo himself. Go and interview him. Igbophobia. He is among this because was he not among those people that actually annihilated the Igbos at the exits of Umuahia and the Port Harcourt during the war? When he was pretending and disguising himself as if he was a man going to farm to actually beat the intelligence of the Biafrans. When they cut him up at Umuahia, did he not escape death? He was the one that even hailing them when he visited them during the Joseph Kanu regime. That annually they are the strongest people. Umuahia are the strongest people in the life of Biafra. They started clapping. Umuahia people, they are very resilient. They nearly killed me. You know, he's a comedian. The guy can joke. Yes. So what I'm trying to say is that my brother, 100 years ago, 110 years ago, a group of British colonialists came together, yes, at the axis of Lokoja, yes, Kogi State, and they built the structure of this country on this dilapidated platform. I don't understand. Yes. Very, very frail, weak podium. The Afra Foundation was not laid on a very strong structure. It was laid on a shaky structure that is over frail, very weak. Nigeria structure was not properly. Foundation was not properly structured, and it is affecting the economy. It is affecting the politics, socially, and otherwise, because it is not well planned. And if you can tell me any Nigerian man any Nigerian tribe that was around present at the axis of Lokoja when Nigeria was amalgamated, both north and south, and pronounced and called them Nigeria in 2014. Oga, there's nobody like that. Nobody. It was the British that did it. It was the British man. No Nigerian, no Yoruba, no Igbo was present to see how it was structured. So they did it to favor themselves, to favor the no mentality stricken north. That's why every day of our life we pay tithe to Fulani. You pay tithe to Fulani. Yes, each and every government that comes, Fulani is the highest. Fulani will be touting. Nigeria is their Nigeria. Look at Tinubu. Tinubu has become a Ram boy. When he is actually the president, he's answering sir to Fulani. He's answering sir to Emir. But maybe he's answering sir to Sultan of Sokoto. Or maybe because they are not voted for him. Because if you no, it doesn't matter. Other votes couldn't have made. Oh, no. The people that voted for him. Yes. His people Yoruba voted for him. Yes. Some Igbos voted for him. Everybody voted for him. Yes. It shouldn't be like that. It is a democratic setup or dispensation. You have people that will back you. You have people that will not back you. Yes. I don't understand. Yes. The answers, the Fulani, where they are going now is, they said, he appointed Yoruba. Then people begin to ask themselves, when Buhari was Nigerian president, how many Igbos did he appoint? How many Yoruba did he appoint? Was he not Fulani? Did anybody talk? We were just gazing at ourselves. We are just glancing on the front page of newspaper every day that Buhari had actually come out with over 96 appointments for the north. They are largely Fulanis, people from Fulani extraction. That's why sometimes ago DJ raised the alarm that Buhari has succeeded on what? Fulanizing Nigeria. What are we saying? Everybody there. Okay, now how many Yoruba was given the appointment that made the houses bending their neck, talking and shouting nonsense? See, it is the Britain that structured Nigeria that way to favor north. You agree with Burna Boy that Nigeria is like a British company? Yeah. Burna Boy said it. That's 100% correct because Mama Achale, when Mama Achale was alive, Mama Achale manages here. Nothing concerned Philip, her husband though. It was Mama Achale that was managing here. Was the queen? The queen, yes, Mama Charles. That's Queen Elizabeth. Yes. Then the Prime Minister of England is the what? Production manager. CEO is British, totally. Then the Prime Minister of Britain is the production manager. Because if anything want to go well, they must make sure that they ask Mama Achale to go and see. If anything want to go well, British is the one that has been disorganizing this country right from onset, and they are the one that laid that dilapidated foundation under this kind of podium or platform that is not strong, politically and otherwise. I don't know if you understand. Yes.